In this video, I'll show you how to do math notes and calculation on the latest iOS 18 with this big update. Now you can actually write out your math equation and have the phone solve it for you. So in order to do that, all you're going to do is after updating to iOS 18 is go ahead and open up your Notes app. And once you open up your Notes app, you're going to click on that icon to compose a new notes. And from there on, all you're going to do is click on that icon right here. So you can do markups. And then I'm going to take my finger to do it. But you can do it with a stylus. So let's go ahead and do a math problem. So do 5 times 5 and then equals. And once I do that, what happens is it automatically can recognize my handwriting and say that I want to solve this. I can click on that. It'll solve it for me, just like that. And you can make this smaller, bigger, and then if you want to remove it, you can. So you can do 100 divided by 2, it goes, and as you can see here, it can start recognizing it, and then you can go ahead and adjust this, move this around, and then all of this other feature that you can do as well, like that. Sometimes it doesn't work great depending on your handwriting. I'm trying to do it with my finger, so it's not the greatest, but you get the idea. You can solve more complex equations as well. These are very simple math, but it does solve algebra as well, and some of the more advanced level math as well. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.